Coots and I built our solar power boat, and now we're gonna make it a huge sailboat. To turn it into a sailboat, we need to add some dagger boards, a big sail, and a new rudder. Here's our hole for a piece of plywood, just like this. Hopefully, this goes down. Yep. And dump water. Aha! Now, I gotta do the same thing on the other side and then make big dagger boards. Right, Coots? That's a horrible camera angle. Nice and safe. Ta-da! Anyone can build stuff on land where the earth isn't moving. Make things a little challenging because when you're driving down here and this thing pops up and hits your knuckles, it feels great. We have our first dagger board done. Let's see if it fits. All right.
Where is water down?
And that is a dagger board. Will it work? The motor's turned this way and we're slowly turning that way. I wonder if that thing's starting to work. Turn the motor the other way and see if we start turning.
We are testing to see if the shaft of our motor will act as a rudder for our ship. Mark's always had more confidence in it than me, but he always tends to prove me wrong.
We were drifting that way before. I turned the rudder to make us drift that way.
Working.
Yeah.
And that's even with this huge gumpy barge on front. We're sailing.
The blade is at quite the angle.
Is it?
It's the pulling in.
It's bent. There you go. Listen, it's flat.
There we go.
There it is, baby.
All right.
So once we get this installed, we're gonna put this thing in there, dump the barge, and try and use the wind to push our back to see if our rudder on our motor actually does anything. Oh my God. I almost
Close.
I almost went in the drain. I think there's like sludge down there.
I think the pontoons are closer on this side.
I think it might just be that gunk. Oh no. The pontoons are closer to the side. Like I said, our plan has gone awry. No.
It was such smooth sailing up until this point.
I see what you did. Now we need to figure out how to make dagger boards on the outside. Ooh. So here's one thing, if we pound this in and it gets stuck in it, we can no longer go home.
Right.
I don't think we should pound this in
I don't
down.
think so either.
Oh, cut. We have an idea. Coots wrecked the boat one day, so we had to attach this pontoon super tight with 2 big ratchet straps. So we're gonna try and loosen it, and maybe the pontoon will fall open magically. Is that loose?
Yeah.
Why couldn't you just go down real nice?
Yeah.
Nope. Oh.
Back to the drawing board.
Things aren't going as planned.
This one isn't sandwiched in between our 2 sets of pontoons. Didn't think that one through.
We've disengaged from the barge and are testing this puppy out.
Is it super stressed?
I'm not seeing anything that concerns me. It's got a pretty mean wobble, but I think that was to be expected.
How does it affect our nimbleness?
It takes a little more to steer. So the game plan is to go out away from land, turn around, and then see if we can actually hold our course.
Theoretically, when we're pointed in the right direction and the rudder's pointed in the right direction, we'll go straight now. And what's funny is this is the least windy it's been since we've ever gotten to the lake.
Motor's off.
I think the wind kind of stopped.
tough to sail without wind.
Yeah, we're just testing the steering.
Since we don't have our big pirate ship sail yet, we're just gonna use the back wall as a temporary sail for our test.
Wasn't pretty, but it kind of got us pointed in the right direction.
We need a bigger rudder. Yeah, tarp. This test, we're just trying to see if we can catch wind with the sail since the wind picked up.
Check the material out.
Which one is which? I got one corner down here. There's one. I got two over here. Here, you take my foot one. We know exactly what we're doing. I'm gonna stomp on that. Go a little forward, because we gotta try and turn ourselves right now. There it is. Try and get as big as possible. There we go. Oh, it's a sail. Try and pull it bigger and wider, I think. Where's the barge? There it is down there.
All right, now we stand like this for 25 minutes.
Right? My top arm is getting tugged really hard. Right now I'm trying to turn it. I'm trying to get the nose back around. Most of the time when you're sailing, you're steering. Like right now.
We need a third guy.
Yeah.
That's what we need, a third guy.
Yeah. This thing does catch wind good. Let's see if I can. Ooh, I think we're turning now. Oh, this thing's gonna catch a lot of wind. Oh yeah, dude. Look at the nose. Yeah, the nose is coming around. My arms are so tired. All right, we sort of turn the sail and then turn the nose against all odds. Oh, there's some big waves coming. I hope our dagger boards don't break off. There's a boat. Like, he came out and he's like, I have to see this. Uh-oh, Coots is about to go. I'm down below just driving. I just see you like.
I think we're losing the dagger board.
Yep, the dagger board's getting ripped off. Oh yeah.
After we get around this bend, we're gonna have to deal with that dagger board.
Dagger board's about to deal with itself. Let's survey the damage. Wind and waves were pushing that way and yoinked this right out. We might actually have to tighten this bad boy down. This isn't bad. It ain't that bad.
Our sail got cut short because of the weather, but in this video right here, we end up putting the mast up in the sail. So check it out and thanks for watching. Thank you.